In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage teams effectively using Trello by organizing job roles and tasks. Trello is a versatile tool that makes team management more efficient and visually streamlined. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Trello's website. Once there, you need to log in with your credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. Signing up is quick and straightforward with options to connect via email, Google account, or Apple ID. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your Trello dashboard. This is your central hub to manage all your boards. Boards in Trello are essentially projects or main categories you're working under. Now, you'll want to start customizing your board for team management. The first step is to click on Add a List. Lists in Trello are columns that represent stages or classifications of tasks, much like different job roles or progress sections. The next thing is to create cards within these lists. Click on Add a List and type in names like Operation Manager. Hit Enter, and your card is created. Cards are the heartbeat of Trello, capturing everything from individual tasks to specific projects under a job role. To interact with a card, simply click on it. Once you open a card, you can start customizing it further, making it visually distinct and informative by clicking on Cover. Here, you can upload a cover image that's either symbolic or representative of the card's purpose, giving a visual identifier that stands out uniquely. Now let's move back to the main board to create a substantial number of cards. Think about adding multiple cards for different roles, tasks, or projects depending on your specific needs. For example, you could create cards for team members, like business analyst, or individual tasks assigned to them. When it comes to the board's organization, you're not limited. After naming your cards and organizing them under suitable lists, feel free to create as many cards as necessary to represent all aspects of a role or task. Want 14 cards? Go ahead and add them. Need another card after that? You can do that too. Lists can be renamed, reordered, or customized at any point. When creating secondary lists or roles like business analyst, it's crucial to follow the same steps as before. Type the name, click to validate, and customize further with cover images for consistency and easy navigation. As you expand the board, continue adding cards until you have a comprehensive view that presents all your job roles and tasks effectively. Each card should serve a specific functional purpose in your management structure. This visual approach to organization can improve clarity, productivity, and collaborative efforts within your team. Remember, Trello offers versatility and customization, so adapt your setup as your team or project needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy organizing on Trello.